Digital forensics at USW is exciting, challenging and rewarding, and prepares you for a career defending and fighting against cybercrime on a national and international level. The course has been designed to develop the students' practical and analytical skills in the digital forensics field, looking at the identification, the acquisition and the interpretation of data. We offer real-world experience for our students through the close connections we've built up with industry and law enforcement and the private sector. Here at the Newport campus, we have a number of dedicated cyber labs. We have our Security Operations Center, and our cyber labs are equipped with the latest industry standard digital forensics software. Workstations mirror what the students can expect to use out in industry. Students also have the opportunity between their second and third year to undertake a placement year, working for an organisation out in the field and gaining that real-life experience before they come back to us and finish their studies. A lot of our students go into job roles in both the private and the public sectors, and these range from digital forensic investigator roles to incident response analysts. The digital forensics course is aimed at delivering the next generation of cybersecurity experts within the digital forensics field.